I'm Jeannine, and I got a full upper arch here at Dr. Polyakov's office. I have something called Sjogren syndrome, which is an autoimmune disorder where your body's cells attack moisture-producing glands, and it was starting to affect the saliva in my mouth, my tears, and because of the saliva issue, I wasn't getting good bacteria in my mouth, and I started to get severe accelerated tooth decay. I kind of endured it for a few years, just getting crowns when I could afford them, and just dealing with different ways to handle the pain because the teeth were starting to decay really quickly, just breaking, and they were brittle, and I could eat a soft piece of food and they would just crack. I kind of started looking around to see what I could get as far as a permanent solution because my teeth were not going to get better.
Jeannine lost most of her teeth due to the radiation therapy for cancer. She was not able to get a job because she was afraid to go on interviews.
They were just going to keep decaying rapidly. And I found Dr. Polyakov's office, came in, and he changed my life. Because before I was avoiding social situations, I was not wanting to go out to eat with friends because I would have to eat like soft foods or cut things up really small, and it was kind of odd looking. I got a job working from home because I didn't want to be around people. I didn't want to have to smile. I used to be a receptionist, so they expect you to smile when people walk through the door, and you can't do that when your teeth are all falling apart and breaking. And immediately when I walked through the door, it just felt very warm and welcoming, and I was greeted with smiles, and everyone was just very much wanting to make sure I was comfortable and do I need anything, and it just felt like a really warm and open place to be, and I immediately felt safe and comfortable. The first time I saw my reflection in the mirror, it was me again. I was myself again. I wasn't some stranger with straggly teeth. You know, I could go out, be with friends, and smile and not worry about covering my smile with my hand. And I'd like to thank Dr. Polyakov and the entire team here at Synergy because they've really changed my life. And I just want to encourage other people to come here too because it's safe and inviting, and they'll take your pain away.